Hi, it's Mrs. Canniford here. As Year 9 and Year 10 are learning about ecosystems and tropical rainforests, I thought I'd speak to you about ecosystems, make some comparisons with different ecosystems in different parts of the world, and define some key words for you. I'm just outside around the back of my house actually. There's just a few trees. Now this is nowhere near a rainforest or even a woodland, it's just a collection of trees. But there are some examples of an ecosystem and some biodiversity. An ecosystem is a system where there's some living and non-living elements that rely on each other for survival. So some living elements. Around here we get squirrels and different types of birds and lots of insects and sometimes some domestic cats, foxes too. Non-living elements such as the sun, rainfall, soil, we call those abiotic. The living elements are called biotic elements. And all of these things work together in an ecosystem so that all the living things can survive and thrive. Now here there's some different types of species, different types of plants, different animals. That's called biodiversity. For example, this tree over here is different to the plants that are growing on the ground, and there's some small trees and some larger trees, different types of trees that we can tell the differences by their leaves and their shapes and how they grow. These big trees here become home to birds, different species of birds, again which all add up to the biodiversity. Now here there isn't really much biodiversity. In the rainforests, those are the most biodiverse places in the world. We find rainforests in between the tropics, the Tropic of Capricorn, the Tropic of Cancer, along the equator. Now here there's lots of different species of plants, animals, flowers, all living together in one big ecosystem called a biome. A large ecosystem is called a biome, and with lots of abiotic and biotic elements keeping everything going. And here it's quite different to the climate that we've got. In the UK we are 55 degrees north of the equator, about. That means we have seasons because the earth is spherical and tilted. When we're tilted away from the sun we have winter, when we're tilted towards we have summer. In the rainforests, they're so close to the equator they don't have seasons, and it's pretty much warm all year round every day, about 20 to 30 degrees every day. That sounds really nice, doesn't it? In the UK the average temperature is between 2 and 17 degrees. Can get a lot warmer and a lot hotter, but that's an average 2 to 17. Rainfall is much higher in the rainforest because it lies in the Intertropical Convergence zone. That means convectional rainfall occurs there. Because there's intense solar energy, intense sunlight, heating up the earth, heating up all the moisture evaporates, rises quickly, cools, condenses, forms rainfall. It's also very humid. Humid means moisture in the atmosphere, moisture in the air. A bit like when you leave the hot tap running in the bathroom and the air goes all sort of misty and it's all warm. That's a bit like what it would be in the rainforest. So there's some key words there for you. You can always get outside in your gardens, if you've got a garden, or on your daily walk, do a biodiversity survey. You might have a pond or a hedgerow, and see what living things and non-living things you can find, and maybe draw a simple food web for those things. Good luck with your rainforest projects, Year 9, and hopefully some of these keywords have made a bit more sense to you.